You think you know who the first president of the US was, but you're probably wrong. Meet John Hanson, the unsung hero who became the first president of the United States, before George Washington. In 1781, the Articles of Confederation were ratified, creating a loose alliance of states. But who would lead this new nation? That's where John Hanson comes in. Hanson, a Maryland delegate, was elected as the first president of the Continental Congress under the Articles of Confederation. He served from November 5, 1781 to November 3, 1782. So, why don't we learn about John Hanson in school? Well, it's because his presidency was under the Articles of Confederation, which was later replaced by the U.S. Constitution. George Washington, who became the first president under the Constitution, gets all the glory. But Hanson's legacy is fascinating. He played a crucial role in securing French support for the American Revolution, establishing the U.S. Postal Service, creating the first national bank. John Hanson's story is a reminder that history is full of surprises. Share this with your friends and family to set the record straight.